How to get $80 DSW promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in DSW promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for DSW. So go ahead and open any of these websites. For this video, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. Just scroll and check $60 off, 30% off, $60 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. So here is the code, copy it, then click on Redeem at DSW. With that, you will be directed to the official website of DSW. Now you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers, as in this page, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for DSW. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.